There it goes again, running. Listen to that. Sound of a sardine. Alright, hi everybody, we're joined with Geraldine here, all the way from Middleburg. Coming to have a good time here at Market here. Getting a feel on the big setup. So yeah, what you gonna say to all everybody?
Hello! Please come join us!
Great stuff. Let's hope we get a pick up so Geraldine can enjoy the fight here at Market here. So fun and games once again, folks. Stay tuned to us.
Geraldine, where are you from?
Middleburg.
Great. Have you caught any fish before?
I actually did a very long time ago. It was a yellow-tailed bass.
Wow, that's awesome. If
Get a big shark here now. Alright, so that was a good cast here. I'm happy with that. We managed to get it all the way in the green zone. So let's give this 8 ounce a chance to settle. We're going to slide another jab back out. Alright, so this is what's causing those good results there is our nice Japanese mackerel. Fresh mackerel here from Rookies. Yeah, great stuff. Working. I know there's some question about why there's a circle in the front and a treble in the back. Treble is just my chap, but I'm not really targeting for the sharks. Otherwise I just go with one circle in the front. Nice chain over there. I'm trying to see whatever is feeding in the top there. Game fish. Odwa is here.
Hi, Odwa.
There.
Good.
Let's see. Brilliant. Come join me. Right, so folks, there's it. That's the bait. Been working here, nice and neat, presentable as well. So there's my floater here. I've got my 7x7 warrior here. Look at this. Keeping it as natural as it can in the water. So with the southwesterly conditions here and the current, this here is working out quite nice. Bait staying up on the top. I'm not targeting the flat fish there. So let's hope this works out quite nice. Right, so we got Alec out. We put our second bait out here at Market Pier. We're sharing the fun with Alec. We got to pick up as we're sliding the bait out. The Jeff Mac, Hookie's bait performing once again. Fun and games at Market Pier. Come on, Jeff. Come on, Jeff. Okay. Right, keep walking. Walk all the way. You're going to land this now. It's going to land you, right? If you're uncomfortable, you let me know. But I'm going to help you to land you. So keep walking. We're right now, we'll land you.
Oh, he's pulling you! Wow!
Yes, he's fighting here. Look at that. Keep the leg tension on the line. Focus. Yes, keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Good. Good. Take one step. There. The line will cut here. Keep going. Keep going. Perfect. Right. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Hold tight. You're right there. Keep walking. Keep walking. Go all the way to those guys there.
Can you see it?
Take a step to your left. That's it. That's it. Let's have a look at where it is. Sorry.
Okay, let me just get the fish.
Yeah. Okay, you're doing perfect. You take it. Keep the tension.
It's a shark. Well done!
Brilliant. Brilliant.
Well done!
If you open the clip, just release the clip only.
Good job, Botwa! Okay, Vila.
Okay. Okay. Well done, yeah, guys. Fun and games at Market Pier. Let's let this lovely grey go. Yeah. Oh.
Let me just get his release. Sorry.
Alright, so fun and games here, guys. Once again, great to have Alec here, one of our subscribers. Thanks for all the support. So thank you all also as well, guys. But yeah, we're sliding the bait out back to the and we had a pickup while the rod was in our hand. Excellent stuff. And Alec enjoyed the fight. So Alec, how was that? He's still a little bit tired.
You gotta come and spend more time at Market Pier.
So folks, yeah, come and join us here at Market Pier. Fun and games, folks. Stay tuned.
I want your lipstick. I want
Alright, so round number 4 here, we've got Lezana. He's on, put a nice bait out there. So yeah, he's bringing it in. So have a look at this action, yeah. We're joined by a few of our chaps. Enjoying yourself, yeah?
Yes.
Great stuff. So yeah, chaps, let's have a look at Lezana here, what's happening. Capture, bring all that slack. Before the wave take him more that way. You're gonna be able to swing it right on top of the rock, okay? Nice. Okay, so everybody, afternoon pickup here. Shortly after lunch, I managed to get a pickup here. I check my line coming out slack and I'm on. Looks like it's another grey afternoon. Beautiful. That's how we're gonna land this one.
What is it?
Is it there? Hi everybody, we're at Market Pier. We're pulling our evening session here. The first bait out, just let our chalk out with a nice sword in the inside. And we got a good pickup. Look at here. Great stuff. Oh. Policeman! Yeah, I know. Hold. Hey, okay. hound.
The line. With my, I'm not the grab girl.
Gosh, he's pulling.
Okay.
Yeah, keep it more line. No, got it yet. Keep it line, keep it line.
Where is it?
There's he falling, there's he.
Oh, yes. It's in this thing now, in this pool. It's a pity we can't see it. Yeah, okay, that's another problem.
Where is it?
Has it washed through?
I don't know.
There is it here, in this pool, but it's just covered with water.
Where's he again?
He's in the pool.
In the pool.
So you took it out of the line?
No, but what is there? Is he back in the pond here?
Yeah, he's in the pond.
Okay, where's the line?
There's it on Trisha's line.
Okay. When I tell you to pick up, you pick up and give me the line, right? Anna, when I tell you to leave loose, you leave loose. Open the bail out, right? You can pick up. When you bring the rod, you want to go back. Go back, go back, go back. Go back, go on, go back, go on.
Okay, watch out, guys.
And Anna, let loose line. Right, do you feel it? Okay, stop! Stop! Pull the sinker towards you. Rocket, grab the line. Right.
Put light on the other side.
Okay, leave it, boy. Leave it.
Let's see here. Be careful, guys. Your line is out there, right?
No,
Oh.
our line is that side.
Yay!
Cut Uncle Mike's line, huh?
Yeah, it's damaged now.
No, not only that, how are we going to get it out? Remember, it's tangled on the front
Yeah.
of it,
I think he just needs to get the hook out. Did he get the? Oh, he's trying to get Tisha's hook out.
You need to come and find. You know how to use pen. Okay, I'm dropping it. Drop it by Tisha.
Just show towards Uncle Mike there, boy.
Uncle Mike, you need help.
Oh, okay. Let's down to this. All right, you need the line.
Glass, you okay?
Okay, where's the line? Where's the line?
It's a big one.
Mike, what the proper place to do the job.
All right, check it out.
There you go.
Good out here. Great team effort. We got a hound here. We put a chocker bait out with a sardine inside, and we hooked up with this nice hound. You got it in the water. It's nice and healthy. Thanks to Les Cash. Well done, guys. Gave us all sorts of challenges here at the pier. But with a team effort, we managed to get this fish out, remove the hooks, and now we're going to let it go. But what a beauty of a catch. Yeah. Have a look at that. Brilliant stuff. Right, I'm going to measure this baby quickly.
Yeah. 150 centimeters back for that.
Turn it around, like.
Okay. Alright, to the notch here.
Does it get to the snout?
No, turn it around. How many? 130. Okay, what's the tip of the tail? Something wrong with it. Alright, so from the tip of the tail to the snout there, it's 150. Okay, it's a little bit short, but a great catch here. Fantastic stuff, guys. Well done. Funny games at Market Pier. Night is still young. We got a couple more catches, but let's let this wait.
Well done, babe.
Great stuff. Hit me.
Watch out, Uncle Mike. Nice size wave. Come. One.
Yeah.
We'll check from the top.
Brilliant.
Uncle
Wow.
Mike, the lights and the trace and your cap.
Right, shot.
What you have to say, Uncle Mike?
Ah, epic stuff. Epic stuff here at Market Pier. Chuck. Fun and games. First bait out. So we got a few more baits. Fun and games. Stay tuned.
Team is awesome.
Fantastic.
I have to say well done to our brothers and sisters and our children. Well done. Thank you guys for all the help. Lizana!